Namaskar, I am Dayan Gowde, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Today I will discuss factorization in f of x. Definition: if let f of x, g of x belongs to f of x, we say g of x divides f of x in f of x. If there exists q of x belongs to f of x such that f of x equal to g of x into q of x. Example: let f of x equal to 4x square plus 4x cube plus 4x square plus 3x plus 3 and g of x equal to 4x square plus 3. F of x g of x belongs to z pi of x and f of x equal to g of x into x plus 1 in z pi of x. Hence, g of x divides f of x in z pi of x and 4x cube plus 4x square plus 3x plus 3, 4x square plus 3 and so on x plus 1 is a quotient and is equal to 0 remainder. One more theorem, factorization. Let p of x be an irreducible polynomial in f of x. If p of x divides r of x, s of x, for r of x, s of x belongs to f of x, then either p of x divides r of x or p of x divides s of x. Proof: p of x divides r of x into s of x. R of x multiply s of x is equal to p of x multiply q of x for some q of x belongs to f of x. But this implies that r of x multiply s of x belongs to p of x. P of x being an irreducible polynomial in f of x. A generator of p of x is maximal ideal in p of f of x. As f of x is a commutative ring with unity, generator of p of x is a prime ideal. Hence, r of x s of x belongs to generator of p of x. Implies that r of x belongs to generator of p of x and s of x belongs to generator of p of x. Hence, either p of x divides r of x or p of x divides s of x in f of x. Using the mathematical induction, we get next theorem. Let f of x belongs to f of x be a non-constant polynomial, then f of x can be factored into a product of irreducible polynomial in f of x. The irreducible polynomial will be unique expect for order and for unit factors in f. Let f of x belongs to f of x be a non-constant polynomial. F of x is a reducible polynomial, then there is nothing to prove. Since case first, second, f of x is not reducible, let f of x equal to g of x into h of x, where degree of g of x less than degree of f of x and degree of h of x less than degree of r of x. If g of x and h of x both are irreducible, then we are through. If g of x and h of x both are not irreducible, then at least one of them factors into product polynomial of lower degree. Continuing in this way, we get p of f of x equal to p1 of x, p2 of x dot 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 pn of x, where each p of x is an irreducible polynomial in f of x. This completes the proof of first part. Now let us assume that f of x equal to p1 of x, p2 of x dot 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 pr of x. F of x equal to q1 of x, q2 of x dot 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 qn of x be two factorization of f of x into the irreducible polynomial in f of x. Now p1 of x divides p2 of x, p1 of x, P2 of x dot PR of x. P1 of x divides Q1 of x, Q2 of x dot Qs of x. As P1 of x is an irreducible polynomial in f of x, P1 of x divides Q1 of x for some j. Take Qj of x is equal to Qi of x. Since Qi of x is irreducible and Pi of x divides Qi of x, where Q of x is equal to u1 P1 of x, where u1 is not equal to 0, hence u1 belongs to f is a unit in f. Thus P1 of x into P2 of x P3 dot PR of x is equal to Q1 of x P2 of x dot QR of x, cancelling PR of x from both sides, and therefore P1 of P2 of x dot is equal to U1 Q1 of x dot Qs of x. Arguing this, is we get P2 of x equal to U2 Q2 of x, and so on. P3 of x is equal to dot is equal to 1 U1 U2 dot UR. This shows that the irreducible factors Pi of x and Qj of x are the same except for the orders and unit factors. Let f of x equal to x is to 5, x is to 4 plus 3x square plus 2x plus 4 belongs to z phi of x. X is equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to is equal to 0 in z phi of x. Therefore x is equal to 1 is a roots or is a factors or is a zeros of f of x. F of x equal to x minus 1 into g of x, and so on. By division algorithm, arrange the f of x, g of x, q of x, and r of x. R of x is equal to 5, and in z pi of x is equal to 0. Then thus x is equal to 1 is zeros of f of x, and f of x is equal to x cube plus 4x cube 4x square plus 4x plus 1 is quotient into x minus 1. Now g of x is equal to again factorized as g of 1 is equal to 10 is equal to 0 modulus of 5 and is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 1 is a factors of g of x, and we get quotient x square plus 4, and this shows that x minus 1 is a factors of x cube plus 4x square plus 4x plus 1, and hence x minus 1 is also factors of f of x. Again x is equal to 1, x square x square plus 4 is equal to 0 in z pi, hence x minus 1 is a factors of x square plus 4. Therefore this is equal to 0, and this shows that x minus 1 is a factors of x raised to 4 plus 4, and hence x minus 1 is a factors of f of x. Thus we get f of x is equal to x raised to 4 plus 4x cube plus 2x plus 1 x minus 1 cube x plus 1 in z pi of x. This shows that f of x is factored as a product of irreducible polynomial in z pi of x. These irreducible polynomial in z pi of x are defined up to units in z pi of x. Therefore x minus 1 cube into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 square to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into 3x plus 3, and this is complete the solutions.